just want to show you a trick that I learned from the owner of my favorite yarn store, Infinite Yarns in Farmingdale, New York. And she taught me the best way to join your knitting in the round and not leave a little bump when you join them. And it's nice and secure and it's pretty easy to do. So I am going to show you. You want to make sure that your stitches are not twisted, because if you twist your stitches when you're joining them, there really isn't a way to recover from that easily. So you make sure that your cast on is pointing down all the way around your circular needles, and you bring the yarn up close towards the tips, not too far because you don't want to drop any stitches while you're doing this. And you pick up your darning needle. You can use a crochet hook also if you have that. I've been known to use my fingers sometimes when I don't have anything else handy. You want your tail that's attached also to your ball of yarn. That is going to be on your back needle and not your front. So you've got your two needles lined up next to each other, and you've got your implement, whatever you're going to use. And you slide that in to that first stitch on the front needle and off that needle. Now you're just going to take it and slip it on to your back needle. Okay, that's the first step. The next step is the stitch that your yarn is attached to, which now is the second stitch on your back needle. You're going to slip the tip of the needle or the crochet hook into that stitch. You're going to pull it up and over that first stitch and slide it on to your front needle, and you're going to tighten that up. And now I will show you. You don't want to knit with your tail. We've all done that. I'll admit to it. And now you can just begin knitting that first stitch. So you go in and you knit, and your join is nice and secure, and you don't see a bump from a knit two together or any of the other ways, and it's not going to come apart on you. I hope that tip helped. Thanks for watching.